Recording I am. Alright. Hello everyone. Welcome to Microwave Dinner. Well, I've played this game already, but or not all of it. I've only played a good amount of it. But because of that, yeah, I only did 5%. But I did record it. But I think it's better if I restart, honestly. Because I don't have the video, so default color, I can only have one color. So I'll start in World 1 because I can't go anywhere else. Alright. Blueport. Here we go. Here we are. No, oh, just straight up. Okay. It's me. A microwave. I don't actually remember how to play this game, so oh, shift is fly, I guess. Crouch. Is it? Yeah, crouch, I guess. I don't have a robot voice.
Upgrade failed. Insufficient fuel that actually requires 2 total microwave dinners. You need some more.
Great. There's a way you can roll. I don't remember where the button is. What does it go? How do you play this game? Whoa. Yeah, where you can dash, I guess. Or roll with X. He's also crouch. I'm learning. Again. Before port. This game is really quiet. Hold on. They actually brought back the oof. Oh my god. Nice. How did I fit in there? Don't ask. Okay. Huh. Okay. Microwave in the big world. Oh, who's this guy? Oh. Those rats. Those rats. They went and hid the cheese in the sewer. Ouch. They've been stealing cheese from the hotel for so long. Someone needs to stop them. Need 100 chicken. I'll be back. I think that's where I was last time. So pretty. Hello. How are you? Nice weather we're having. The ocean is so pretty. Nice hat. Ah. I forgot how to play immediately. Look at me go. I don't know if that does anything. Ooh. Oh, chicken. That was in your castle. On the air. X dive. Okay, so the dive. Okay. How do I go up here? I can slide down it. Wow, Mario. Not really. Okay, I just crouched. Yeah. Double jump since when? Oh, whoa! How did I do that? We'll never know. Oh, okay. I'm already pro. Pro gamer, pro gamer. What is that? I only have 39. I don't really remember much about this game except for the fact that oh. I think I was in a kitchen at some point. Oh. You. Alright, you know. Bro, super. What's this? I don't know. I mean, it's probably come in handy later. Paint. Huh. I think that's where the paint is. What are the achievements I've got so far? Oh, since this is a new one, I guess I don't have anything. Bring 3 scraps to the junk box. Really? On a hat ticket? On a hat? Wow, that was close. I feel like I didn't know I could double jump. I don't know though. I also have enough for that place, so I should do that right now. Let me just get this chicken here. Super. Alright. I don't know if these boxes have chicken. Let's find out. Nope. Okay. Well, this one did. Oops. Ooh, ooh, red water. What is that place? The hat. Is a hat guy. Another jump bot.
Hey, another robot. A microwave robot. Well, you don't see that every day now, do ya? Anyways, I'm Junkbot. I make all sorts of stuff made from junk and scrap, so if you're looking for some upgrades, you come to the right place. If you can scrounge up 3 pieces of scrap, I can give you a movement upgrade. Ooh. It'll allow you to go faster, it'll light your tires on fire. What? So if you can get those 3 scraps, I can help you out. I'll be here if you need anything else.
Interesting. Okay. 3 scraps. Oh, and the hat machine. And a ticket right above it. Oh. Convenient. Super. Let me use it. Who's hat? Top hat. Let's go. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. No, you bastard. You robbed me. What does this after you've upgraded fridge bot? After? Oh my goodness. Why after? I think last time I ended it with 2 free. I don't think I have any. Am I fucking Michael Jackson? What is this? Brooke? Ooh, water. Yo, wee mama. What's up? Oh, super. Unlock. Oh, this is the place. Let's go in. Restaurant Bob. Ah, yes, the chef.
Welcome to the restaurant. What? Oh, a robot? A microwave robot? You must be here for a job. Go talk to Chef Blob. He's straight back in the back. He's straight back in the kitchen. That's what I'm gonna say.
Thank you. Whoa, I did not know the trees could just give you chicken like that. Who are you chicken with? I'm gonna give up my sentence before I embarrass myself even more. Oh, hey, there's no fish in that. There's 1 fish. Hello? Yeah. I don't know what microwaves would drink. Oil? No, wait, what? Okay, chef. Hey. Hey, I am the chef of this restaurant. Too bad I'm not doing much cooking because nobody will help me. I'll help. Great. I need food for the soup. Get some and put them in the pot. I don't know, I can talk. I need lettuce, chicken, and a fish. Oh, and a carrot. My bad. Good luck. Good luck. You know, like it's an impossible thing. Are you judging my expertise in cooking? I can't even pull a lever. Okay, that's fair. Lettuce, rotate. Anyway. Woo! Oh, so close. Super. All right. Oops. A giant piece of chicken. Excuse me. Oh, I found the soup. Oh no, did you just jump in the soup? That's not hot tub and no one wants to eat you. Alright, frick, alright. My bad, sir. What else did I need? A carrot and a fish? Where to get one fish? Yeah. Whoops. I messed up 3. Oh my goodness. That was a lot of chicken. I get into the sewer too after this. Super. Ow, you bastard. Stop! Alright. It's enough. Alright, let's find a carrot and a fish. Ow. Music's really calming. Who's this guy? Hey. Oh, hey. You must be the new guy. Sure. Just be careful inside the freezer. I heard there's a loose vent that could fall at any moment. I really need to fix that. Thank you, sir. Back to the freezer we go. Where's the chicken back? I mean, hey, jeez. Okay. I'll take it again, I guess, but can I? No, I can't. Okay. I think what am I saying? Come on. I think I know what I'm doing. All right, we'll go back. Hello? Not even gonna ask what this place is, but you know. Let's just let's just put it in a pot. I think the fish, yeah, I see where the fish might be. Or how to enter for the fish. Whoa! I didn't. Oh my goodness, you made me fall on it, buddy. I did not want to talk to you. Yes, I know. They're in the restaurant somewhere. Get them and put them in the pot. Yes, I'm not illiterate. I'm sorry. I didn't even. Drift. What's with the X? I don't get it. Oh, that was easy. Let's go. Ah, yes, the rotating fish. I was gonna do a funny moment, but I gave up. Guess I'm putting that butter. Alright, fish. Look at me in the face and tell me, do you want to die? What am I doing with my life?
You're freaking stupid. Please.
Whoops, ooh, okay. You finished collecting everything for the soup. Go talk to Chef Blob. Bro, super. Alright. Where'd you go? Well, you got everything. Thanks. This is going to be delicious soup. Everyone will love it. But did you put Mr. Bubbles in the soup? What? I'm messing with you. Oh, better say. It must have been another fish you had. Right? Anyway, thanks for helping. I'll give you this. You can have it. Uh-oh. Run away! Go get it. Super Mario 3D for what? Let's go. Get a microwave dinner. Take a fridge power core where it can be used as fuel. But like enough can like a new world. I think there's only 2 worlds in this game. But technically I beat the game last time, huh? Because there was no other worlds. At the time at least. Ow. I wouldn't know. I don't know. I kind of just... No, I didn't. Well, technically I didn't because there's still this whole area I had to do. Like, I didn't do that. What? Let's go to the sewer, I guess. What? Oh, my navigation's wrong. Oh, it's nothing cool.
Don't worry, sir. I'll get the cheese back.
The sewer. The cheese vault. What? Okay. Here I am. Can I touch the water? I can. Interesting. What does this guy have to say? Can I even talk to the rat? I can.
This vault has the best security. You'll never pick us. You'll never make it past the buttons.
I don't believe that. Huh. This place is oh, I feel like I need that right over there. But this, okay. Yeah, sure. Press the button immediately. Now I'm confused. You think I can make that? Oh, but I don't think you can double jump. And yeah, okay. Hold on. Well, I don't have to go around. I can just take a shortcut to the cheese. I can just take the shortcut to the cheese and take the long way around. Because I can only double jump, and that's not gonna go anywhere. Ah, yes, hold on. Spinning cheese. Oh my! Two pieces.
This is where things start getting tricky. You'll need to get 2 pieces of cheese into what? You'll need to get 2 pieces of cheese into the next room. Good luck with that. Squeak.
That's kind of dumb. But I guess. All right, here's 1 cheese. On the other cheese. Okay. Emergency exit. You. What's over here? More chicken, that is. Really it. I guess I just stick it in there. How do I go in there? Do I go in there? I think. No, I didn't see anything. How do you... Alright, I'm gonna have to go back. Give me this cheese. Oh, there is something over there. Oh man, how do I wall jump in this game? Wall jump! What are you doing? Okay. As you can tell, I'm not good at this game. So, wait, hold on. Quick test. Okay, I don't have to hold it. I just have to... Yeah, okay, I get it now. Okay, no I don't. I made it even... I'm getting that ticket. I don't care. Can I go first person? I cannot. No! Usura! Why? Why? Why could you do that? You know what's funny? This isn't even hard. What? Why did you grab it? Oh, I thought you didn't grab it. Pro save, pro save. If that was not pro save, you can kill yourself. Oh my goodness. Figure out how the wall planing works. Woo, bro. Didn't take me like 30 tires or anything. What? There's a well? Why? Why? Why is there a well? Alright, I gotta go back now. They're gonna let me. Am I stuck here? Why is there coral up here? What? That doesn't make any sense. I was going like 0.5 millimeters a second. A second? Isn't that fast? I don't know. An hour. There you go. Is that just gonna stay there? Like, today you scared me. What do I get now? Please be a top hat that I can wear later on in the video. That's not what I want. You're giving me girl thing. Okay. Oh. That didn't happen. Hey? Oh my goodness. Right. Everything respawns. Alright. So, we're back. Let's see where I can take this cheese before I take the other cheese. Yeah. Sorry, I had to do everything again, so this is a big cut. That and doesn't lead anywhere. Okay. One cheese. One cheese. What's down here? I see that. It's just a little platform. Okay, of course. This guy is gonna say anything.
What? Squeak, you got the door open. Are you a vault cracking expert? Someone stop this robot. Well, at least you don't know what the next room is color-coded. That's the next room. This is where things actually start getting tricky.
Yeah, I don't believe that. So it's color-coded, eh? I see. I'll leave the cheese here. I don't think I can take it right now. Yeah, I need to lower that. Ah, 2 buttons. Oh no.
Squeak, an intruder. Wait, they come. Nobody can get this past door. No, yeah. They would need to know that this door needs 2 buttons to open it. And one is way over there.
Where? No, really, where? Huh?
Besides, how is this robot gonna get 2 pieces of cheese?
Are you challenging me?
You're doubting me. Actually, how am I supposed to get 2 pieces of cheese? Bruh. Where am I going? I'm just kind of following this path here. No, lever. Here we go. What does this do? All right. Oh, there's that little bridge up there. Of course it does. I need the red one. That's the one I use the most. How does this go up? No, seriously? How do... Oh, that's the red one. Then what? Oh, there you go. But then how do you want me to get up? Oh wait, actually I think I know how. I don't know. Prove me wrong here, but when you don't have to go forward, it's kind of easy. Where's the first button? Where's the... Oh. Let's say, where's the red... There we go. Okay, that lifts up. And then those go down. So what's my plan here? Where's the cheese again? What was that? Okay. You bastard. You not bastard. Oh, what is this?
Me bomba!
Oh, bro. Now, how do I get back up? What does this take me for? No fudge. But that actually does kind of help me. Oh wait, the other cheese. Okay, I found where this cheese goes. Now for the second one, which I think is a little more complicated to go. Leave it at that area, but it's easy. It's fine. I know what I'm doing. I need the green. Okay, I'm gonna go flip the green. I'm also gonna flip the red before it because I do need that red one over there to go down. Yeah, that one needs to go down. Hello? Robot? Robot? Help. Ow. You know, I wish I recorded Robot 64. Back then, I didn't do YouTube videos. I fell down. And to be honest, that game was amazing. Hard. It was really hard, though. Cool, though. Cool game. I think this game was inspired by it, maybe? I don't know. I need to see what... Sorry. Just because I messed up. Alright, I need to see how old both these games are. Pretty sure Roblox 64 is... I don't know. 2019? Maybe, I don't know, maybe less or... I don't know. I don't remember when I completed the game. It was hard. It was mostly... One of the boss battles was horrible. Hated that. I don't need that. I don't think. I do need that, actually. Hold on. What am I talking about? Of course I need it. Yeah, because I need that for the red. I immediately forgot the button for hovering. Here we go again. I think I don't know if I should. Well, I need to see how many more levels there are. If there's only one more, which I doubt it, because of the, you know, the castle. But if there's only one more level, then I'll probably just beat it, then end the video. But if there's like more than one, then I'll wait next time. Here we go. Okay. Does it say anything?
Squeak! Our vault security broken? No way.
Yeah, way.
Get out from before I put a swing.
Sorry, okay. Later, suckers. A lot of cheese. Right to the end of microwave dinner. Interestingly enough, that looks really good. Okay. What's up here? A blue lever. Hold on. What is that? I'm gonna cry. Yeah. I'm gonna guess that lever just opens those blue doors. I mean, it's a really obvious assumption since those doors did have blue light on them. Oh, and a ticket. Interesting. What is that? I don't know. I'm gonna get that real quick and then just cut to the part where I'm good. Where was that? Anyway. I really wish I could tell you. I don't know. I see it. Okay. Now, how do you expect me to get there? A genuine question. I have a feeling there's a little way that you can do it, but no, no, no. I'm really gonna try to figure that out. Yeah.
Bruh.
That was weirdly easy. Oh, later, sugar. I think this is gonna lead me to the exit. That's the one that's near the. Is it near the dock? I don't know. It's near something. Under the bridge. There we go. Am I right? I'm wrong. I'm right. Actually, I was right. Okay. Let's go look around. I know the lighthouse is one of them, as I remember from last time. But I don't know if there is this castle up here. So I'm gonna guess that's another one. Let's take a quick look around. I'll probably cut because I don't want to make the video any longer. I'll be right back. Hey, robot. Yeah, you. I mean, you could use this ramp and get a bunch of speed with that wheel of yours. You could probably even zip across this water onto the lighthouse. That would be so cool.
Oh, poor lighthouse. So sad. Oh, hi. I was just looking at the lighthouse. Have you seen inside it? Have you been inside it? They stopped construction halfway through renovating the island inside. I can't even get to the top because the staircase isn't even complete. Maybe you could get to the top. I've seen you jumping around like you're like a ninja. I will. Next video.
Oh, I never saw this. What is this? Oh, is this a scrap? I'm gonna guess that's a scrap. Yeah, so the lighthouse is one of them. I'm gonna guess the little castle at the top is another one. But what do I know? If I remember correctly, this is something, no? Maybe. There's a vault here. Of course, it does nothing, so... Why back here? Can I go somewhere else? Get me out of here. Alright. Let's try the castle. Hold on. I'm gonna have to detour real quick because, oh, well, I'm right here. Might as well, but there's something on top of the restaurant, so I'll see what that is later. How did I do that with the billboard? Wait, maybe. I have an idea. It's a little weird one though. It's very impossible, actually. Okay, I think I have to go that way. All right, hold on. Where'd you gonna put me? Oh my god, I was like, what? This is another scrap. I mean, hey, good, but I'm trying to. Oh, damn it. Bro, super. 500? Okay, there is another area. I'm not gonna make that. Because what I would say was a non-believer. This is. Whatever. From what it looks like, yeah, there's 2 more areas, at least from what I know. There's probably another one, but I still have to find it.
Bruh.
Found another one. Oh, yeah, there's 3 areas. Okay, so I'm gonna end it here. I'll go to the hat area real quick, but I'm gonna end it here. Thank you for watching this stupid video of me playing as a microwave robot. But at that, I'll try to make it funny. I don't know how I'm gonna make it funny. Wow, I almost missed that. I'm not really good at making things funny, but I figure it out sometimes. I mean, watch my pizza tower video. That was crazy. Maybe I'm just weird and I left my own videos, but it's whatever, man. All right. Everyone laughs at their videos. You funny? Oh my goodness. You find yourself funny. I find myself funny. Yes! Finally! The one that I wanted. Yeah, I'll just end the video here. I'm gonna just go back to the fridge bot, and yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.